everything.
Today's animal, the panda bear. The panda bear's favorite food is bamboo. Bamboo grows up to 4 feet in one day. Pandas can eat up to 27 pounds of bamboo every day. That would be like Stanley eating 100 hamburgers a day.
Cool. If you like hamburgers, that is.
Learn more about the panda bear and all your favorite animals with Stanley. Every morning at 9:30, 8:30 Central inside Playhouse Disney.